case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
An intriguing case between Paul Suminski and Maine Appliance Warehouse, Inc., unfolded in the Maine Supreme Judicial Court in 1992, centered on consumer rights and corporate responsibility. The case was intricately linked with the concept of an implied warranty of merchantability, a fundamental principle of consumer rights, and the Maine Unfair Trade Practices Act, both aimed at safeguarding consumers from unfair market practices. Paul Suminski's journey for justice began when the television set he purchased from the Maine Appliance Warehouse started malfunctioning just 1 year after the purchase. Upon contacting the seller for remedies, he was informed that the warranty had expired and was merely provided with a repairman's contact information. Unfortunately, the repairman could not remedy the fault, and the merchant did not take any responsibility. Feeling wronged and denied the justice to which he was entitled, Suminski turned to the courts. He filed a lawsuit alleging that the Maine Appliance Warehouse had breached the implied warranty of merchantability and violated the Maine Unfair Trade Practices Act. The district court agreed with Suminski's claims, ordered the merchant to reimburse him, and even awarded a sum of $1,000 towards attorney fees. The Superior Court also affirmed this decision, leading both parties to appeal the judgment. Suminski notably requested attorney's fees for this appeal. However, the Court of Appeal decided to overturn the verdict, stating that Suminski had not adequately established a breach of the implied warranty of merchantability. The television set had been functional for more than a year before any issues emerged, essentially suggesting that the fault was not significant enough to constitute a breach. Yet the court affirmed that the Maine Appliance Warehouse's conduct of denying assistance after selling a defective television was indeed unfair and deceptive, thus violating the Unfair Trade Practices Act. As such, the case was remanded back to the Superior Court and directed to the District Court for the entry of judgment for the defendant.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class